Okay, I have the hiccup. And I heard if you have water and you spin around 6 times, it'll go away. I stopped hiccuping. Yeah, it works, you guys. Look, watch. I'm not hiccuping. It works. And comment below if send a butterfly if it worked in the comments, or send a ladybug if it didn't work. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye.